What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. The first episode of my client Shan, a K24 build, where we have here a nice K20 head, a Z4 head, which is a casting number with RSP, and it's one of the better flowing head of Honda, where you don't have to do much port work to have a good flow. So what we'll do is we'll lap in these valves and then get started with the head. It's very clean. It's just resurfaced just to be sure, and then yeah, let's go ahead. All right, as you can see, we have here on this side all the exhaust valves, on the other side the intake valves, and we want to make sure that the seat is very well between the two components. Yeah, so we'll start lapping them in and make sure that we get a nice seal. So for example, if you take a cross section of this valve, just make a schematic, and you have the valve. These two surfaces, they're not always perfectly aligned. Of course, they try to machine it as good as possible, but what helps is to make these two surfaces together by lapping them together. So what you do is you insert the valve and then you grind it on this surface so it matches. Here's an example of the valve, and here you see the shape of the valve, and you see on this edge here, this is really a sealing edge where you lap it with this edge. So we'll add some paste here, some lapping paste. It's like a certain polish medium, just to yeah, lap these surfaces to let them seal correctly. So add some paste here. What I also do is a bit of oil before I insert it in, so you protect the guide, the valve guide. Then you can start rotating and polishing. You see I'm grinding it in already. I'm not going to record everything of this because yeah, on YouTube you'll probably find more of these videos, but typically what you do, you use your two hands and you rotate it, and you listen to the tone of the grinding, and you hear it's going to run lighter and lighter, and you hear it's starting to get smooth, and then you feel like, okay, that's far enough, and then you repeat a few times and then see how it goes. Okay, I did all the intake valves. I cleaned it up a bit. Important is that you have to vacuum everything, make sure it's clean before all the polishing material goes into the guides. So I blow dried everything a bit, make sure it's clean, and then I'll turn the head around